In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix 0xA004F074 error code on your Windows activation error. So let's get started. So first thing that we need to do is we need to open settings. So for that, we have to click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we just have to simply click on system. Then we have to scroll down and look for troubleshoot. So click on troubleshoot. Now here you have to click on other troubleshooters. And here you'll find Windows Update with the run button corresponding to it. So run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue, and will also automatically fix the issue for you. So try to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. And then after you have run the Windows Update troubleshooter, you just need to restart your Windows by right-clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Now for the next method, we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type CMD, which stands for command prompt. Now on the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. And here in this administrator command prompt, we just need to simply type sfc space / scan now. It's sfc space / scan now. Hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan that will scan for and fix any system corrupted files. So you just need to simply wait for the process to be done. And once this is 100% successful, then you just need to simply type exit or close the window. And then you have to make a restart of your Windows by right clicking at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Okay, so that's it. By using or doing the two methods, the problem will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.